Today we're exploring the beautiful home of Mr and Mrs Devlin, located in Kilmacolm in the west of Scotland. This 19th century property has been home to the Devlins for a couple of years, but the original UPVC windows were drafty and not energy efficient. Mrs Devlin is an interior designer, so enhancing the property's internal and external appearance was an important factor in upgrading to new windows and doors. C.R. Smith were their preferred choice, as the Lorimer range offers a wide range of styles to enhance the appearance of any home.
Our house was built in the early 1900s and we have literally ripped everything apart. We already had C.R. Smith windows, but they were just 25 years old. In terms of insulation in the house, we really felt that it was time for new windows.
Mrs Devlin was keen to bring a contemporary look to her home, so we suggested anthracite grey. It's a modern finish available on all Lorimer windows and doors and contrasts beautifully against the red sandstone, making this the perfect blend of old and new. At the front of the home, we have used our traditional Lorimer sliding sash to maintain the original appearance of the property, but with the added benefits of modern double glazing. The windows also retain their classic features, including astragals and sash horns. Internally, we have fitted a full finish painted brilliant white by our professional decorators to complement the original wainscot panelling.
Our original windows, we had the astragals and we felt that that was a really important traditional feature that we wanted to maintain. And we went with the grey anthracite because we have added a contemporary twist to our home. We felt exterior-wise that would really work well.
To further enhance the curb appeal, Mr and Mrs Devlin chose the Mardale French doors to replicate their previous storm doors. The Timberlux engineered timber door is finished in anthracite grey to tie in with the new Lorimer windows.
We chose the French style storm doors basically because of the double aspect opening, and we were very conscious of getting as much natural light into the home as possible.
We also replaced their internal front door to a Lorimer full glass panel door in anthracite grey outside and white inside. It's a great way to allow more light to fill the home. Even when the storm doors are closed, the fan light will help natural light flow into the hall.
Our installation process lasted just over a week. The team would leave site and you generally would not know that they had been on site. For people who are considering C.R. Smith, one of the key things to remember is the process is absolutely seamless. You get a real sense that people love to work for the company. As business people, it's really important to us to use our money wisely, so the great option with C.R. Smith for us was the interest-free option, because that means that our money stays in the bank and gains interest, but we have a fantastic product. If we ever needed any further renovation work, we would definitely come back to C.R. Smith.
Thanks to the expert craftsmanship of C.R. Smith and the Lorimer range of windows and doors, the Devlin's home has been modernised functionally without detracting from the period look. This striking property has been enhanced aesthetically while becoming warmer, safer and more secure.
It's just created a sense of warmth in the house and it's reduced our utility bills. Opening the double storm doors in the morning and the natural light coming through the full glass door is just perfect. I think they just look absolutely top quality.
If you would like to learn more about how the Lorimer range from C.R. Smith can transform your home, head over to our website or YouTube channel for more inspiration.